Hello?
Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, please subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can get notified each time that I upload. Also, follow me on all my social media platforms where I keep you updated and do giveaways and say hi to you guys. And if you are an oldie but a goodie, welcome back to my channel. And let's get right into the video. Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have another video for you, and today I am doing flower nails. I have done this in a previous video which came out bomb. I went to the dollar store and picked up so many nail items. I picked up some nail polishes just to show you guys that you can purchase nail polishes at the dollar store. I went to Family Dollar, not Dollar Tree or Dollar General, so if you have one near you, you could definitely pick these up. These earrings are for the nail charms that I actually used. This I will be doing in a different video. I know a lot of you guys were saying to try this kit out, so I'm also going to be using these full cover nails tips and this nail glue. I got this nail dryer, but it really didn't work how I thought it would. The nails were still wet and I was just angry because it just wouldn't dry, so I'm not a fan of it. I'm just going to be putting a little bit of flour into my dipping pot. You can use whatever. If you have a plastic bowl, you could definitely use that also. And you're going to need a duster just to dust off the nail each time that you dip it in the flour, so that way your glue doesn't harden. So a lot of you guys have asked me, how do I keep my glue from hardening? And that's just what I do. I dust off my nails each time that I go to dip it in the glue. So right here I'm just prepping my nails. I'm not doing it correctly because I normally don't prep my nails. I do so many videos for you guys, so I try to protect my natural nails with a peel off base coat. So that's what I was doing right there. You definitely have to prep your nails in order for this to work. A lot of you guys have asked me how long do they last. They last about 2 to 3 weeks if done correctly, like if prepped correctly and done correctly. Another question you guys have asked me is do you need brush on glue? That's just what I use, and it's just easier for me to do and things like that. So that's why I use the brush on glue, because the other glue is just a little bit more difficult. If you can purchase, oh my god, I'm so tongue-tied. If you could purchase the nail glue that is brush on, definitely recommend that one better than anything else. A lot of you guys also ask me what is the difference between cornstarch and baking soda. Nothing really. I love both of them the same. I would choose cornstarch over baking soda any day though, just because I just feel like it's a lot better for your nails. It's not supposed to go on your nails, but definitely a lot better than baking soda, I feel. So yeah, so if cornstarch doesn't work for you, definitely try the baking soda. And if the baking soda doesn't work for you, definitely try the cornstarch. Just not everything is going to work for everybody. This is just what I do, and this is just what works for me. So that's how long they do last, is 2 to 3 weeks. So right here, the nail tips were too short to wear on its own, so I am doubling up the nail tips. And yeah, so the nail glue that I am using is the purple brush on nail glue from Kiss, and I got this from the Family Dollar for $2. The only thing that was more expensive, which you don't need to buy if you don't want to, was the earrings, because the flour I had at my house, so I didn't purchase that at the dollar store. The nail glues were under $2. The nail tips were $1. The nail polishes were $2. I did buy the what is that, the paint, for $1.35 or something. And yeah, so everything else was super affordable and cheap. The only thing that wasn't was the nail charms, which you don't need if you don't want to, because they're not nail charms, they are earrings that I just turned into nail charms. And yeah, so also the makeup sponges that I use to do the ombre is from the Dollar Tree. They were just $1. You can get them at Family Dollar for $1, but I just didn't want to waste the money if I already had sponges at home. So yeah, then this brush on nail glue is also from the Family Dollar, and it was $1.30 or something like that. So pretty cool in savings, which I love, you guys. So everything in this video was under $2 except for the earrings. The earrings were $5, so I just wanted to put that out there. Also, I did buy a nail dryer, and it sucked, you guys. Like, it was taking forever to dry the nails, and I was just like, nah, I was not with it. It did cost $3, so I didn't use it in the video. You guys don't have to purchase it. It does not work. It just throws away a little bit of air, and that's about it. I'd rather just stand outside and let my nails dry. So that's just me. So right here, I'm just dipping my nails in. I start from the free edge to the cuticle, going up little by little, just as I would with Real Dip, which I will be having a Real Dip video pretty soon, and it's also a giveaway, so stay tuned for that. But yeah, this is just what I'm doing, just so that way I can have that nice curve and they all can be layered in the same way. That is just what I recommend. A lot of you guys asked, how many times do you dip? That is also your preference on how thick you want your nails. If you want them thicker, if you want them thinner, you would dip less. If you want them thicker, you would dip more. So that is all up to your preference. And I'm so excited you guys are enjoying these videos to save money. I know during this pandemic, everybody is trying to save, especially me, you guys. Like, I'm getting married and I'm trying to buy a house, and just so many things are going on that I'm trying to save also. So this is definitely something that I use for myself. This is just works for me. Like I said in the beginning of the video, you don't have to do this. This is not the way that I'm saying that you do nails. I am a licensed nail tech, but this is just something that I do so that way I can have nails and, you know, things like that, because it is very expensive. I'm not gonna sit here and lie. I am a nail tech and it is expensive to buy real things. So if I can help out and just spread what I've been doing and what I've been using, I definitely would. So yeah, that's just all that I'm doing. I just wanted to throw that quick disclaimer out there. But yeah, I just wanted to come on here and say hi to you guys, because I love talking to you guys. As you guys may know, I'm very talkative, so I do tend to come on here and blabber a lot, but a lot of you guys like it, so I'm so excited about that. So yeah, I don't have really much anything else to say. Everything else is very self-explanatory. I just painted the nails on. A lot of you guys asked if you can use gel polish. You can use anything that you want to paint your nails with. Gel polish, so it can last longer if you have an LED lamp. This is just for the people that don't have those stuff and can't get to those stuff or can't buy them. So I'm just trying to make everything in one store be where it's at. And this video was highly requested from the Family Dollar, because a lot of you guys have Family Dollar near you, and some, you know, some don't. So I just wanted to make different videos of different stores so that way you guys can know. And this was highly requested. I gotten so many DMs from Instagram. It's so crazy to try Family Dollar, and I would have never thought, because Dollar Tree is definitely everywhere, but Family Dollar is a little skeptic. But yeah, I just wanted to come on here, like I said, and say hi and share some love. And I just hope that you guys are all good and staying safe, and just with everything that's going on in the world, you guys, I just want to spread love and positivity to you, and may God continue to bless you guys and your family, and you guys stay safe. And I love you guys, and I will see you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe. Also, don't forget to hit that like button if you enjoyed this video, and check out the giveaways that I have down below in the description box, so you can enter to win some things that I got on there. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hit that notification bell, of course, so you can be notified each time that I upload, and I will see you in my next one, you guys.